Then I'll put it into the blasted cabinet and clean it all up, ready for powder coating. So that's my job for today. So I've got to have a bit of a rearrange, move things around today to clear a path between my powder coating oven and my blasting cabinet. So what I'm doing today is I'm going to be doing some, well, I'm doing some outgassing at the moment. I'm doing an outgassing cycle. So the yellow is the target, so I'm aiming for 200 degrees centigrade. We're at 165 at the moment. So what we're doing is we're doing some outgassing. I'm not sure you'll be able to see it. In there's a whole bunch of parts in there. 2 sets of front Vitesse calipers. There's some parts off a Norton Dominator, rear set brackets, and there is my Smith's heater matrix, which is all being outgassed at the same time. It's an economical way to run it. Sorry about that. It's an economical way to run it. So I'll take it up to 200 for about 10-15 minutes. I'll hold it to 200. What that does is it makes sure that the any imperfections that's inside the material, any oils or contaminants that's inside the surface or sort of subsurface, will be forced out by that process. So what I can do then is blast it up in the blasted cabinet, give it a nice, remove all the old finish and the old any outgassed surface layer that because it discolors when it's outgassed. So removing all that as well, then I'll put it into the blasted cabinet and clean it all up, ready for powder coating. So let's see how these look. Ooh, stinks a bit. So there we go. There's all the parts that have just been outgassed. So I'm just going to let that cool down now and let the smell dissipate, and then I can start blasting them up. So in the oven there we have got, if you can see it, there are some parts in primer, so zinc primer in there, and I've got the gun is ready with some black for the next part of the operations. Pretty, aren't they? There's all the colours you can get. Anyway, we've got black in there at the moment. They are in there, honestly, and we are set up at 200 target for 10 minutes on this to fully cure them. There they are, all nicely finished. Very pleased with them.